So I'm hearing the rumble of a train here at the Dorval ramps. It's actually over here. It's a CN coming in, headed west. So on the point of that train was an ST70 M-2. I recognize that one. And this may be an oil train. And he's got a green signal. He's not stopping. So it's about 3:20 p.m. on December 22nd, 2019. 3 degrees Celsius, so nice weather. And some nice freights coming through here at Dorval. Lumber racks. Oh, it's very colorful cars. You can put pipes on those things too. Lots of different loads can go on those centerbeams. Alright, here comes the DPU. That's a General Electric unit. Looks like an ET44 AC or DC, not sure which. And there's snow on these ones. They've been sitting around for a little while. Grand trunk, nice. Illinois Central Gulf, Grand Trunk. Ghost railroads don't exist. Grand Trunk used to be a subsidiary of Canadian National. And same with Wisconsin Central. You'll often see a lot of Wisconsin Central boxcars. And the reason for that is that CN absorbed the Wisconsin Central back in 2001, I think. And that's the end of the train. Eyeballing westward. So as always, consider subscribing to Cool Trains in Montreal if you liked what you saw. Have a good day.